Good morning, everyone. This is Elisa from Local King Rubber Stamp. Welcome to my channel. Looks like everybody just loved last video. The video I was talking about stamp tools that I found at a dollar store and it works so well. So today so that was the stamping tool that I found at the dollar store and that works so well. If you haven't got the chance to watch the video, I will put a link below and you can check it out. So I decide today I am going to introduce you one more other stamping tool that I found in the dollar store. I think you're going to love it. What is that? That's started. Okay, you can see that I have a lot of dirty stamps sitting on my desk, right? So what I'm going to introduce you today, take a guess. Yeah, I am actually going to show you an item that I found at the dollar store can do a great rubber stamps cleaning job. What is that? You will be amazed. You probably already have this at home. But I found out it works so well. So I found out this silicone rubber scrubber. Two of them for 350. That's Canadian dollars. So probably in the state maybe 250. Just to check it out. They come with two. So one is the red color and the one is the black color. And this one, the red one, I've been using for a while. And then I'm going to explain to you how it works. So just to check it out, and then let me just show you what it look like because the other one was using it is kind of wet. So it's called silicone scrubber. Okay, so they come like a two, and they all come with a different color. So it's kind of soft. Like they have both sides like that, and then actually people use this one to do the clean the dish. I haven't tried to clean the dish yet, but I think it should be work well. But I found out it's work perfect for cleaning the rubber stamp. Okay, so after we remove on the package, they are like these, right? So and then I found out this topper for the yogurt or for soup or whatever. I think you can find these topper very easy. And then what I do is I just grab a scissors, and then it's almost fit but a little bit small. So what I do is I just grab a pair of scissors and I kind of trimming that extra ring area because we are going to scrap on top of this one. We don't want them move. And then I'm going to explain to you why we need that little tray under. So it's very easy. And after you trimming this part, is going to be the perfect. There you go. Isn't that perfect? So that way when we scrabble, it's not going to go like a run away. Okay, so this is just a Scrabble tool. It's not it's helping us to remove the ink, but you need the if just like a regular dye base, I will just use water. So you are going to have a spray bottles, and then you kind of just spray some water on top, and then that's grab a stamp and then an ink pen. So let's use just a dark brown. Okay, we're gonna stamp it. So I'm going to just use my impact. Okay, and I'm going to just stamp it. Okay, and then we're going to just scrap. After you scrap, okay, and then you just hold on a second. Let me bring my tower a little bit up. So after you kind of scrap your your used rubber stamp, and then you kind of dry with a towel, and look, it's actually pretty clean, right? So that's for the dye-based impact or water-based impact. But if we use a StazOn, so when you use a StazOn, of course you have to use a StazOn cleaner, right? So I have the StazOn cleaner. I'm not trying to sell you the StazOn cleaner. You can use any kind of permanent impact cleaner will work. This is my favorite cleaner. Unfortunately, it's finished, and then I just refill with the StazOn cleaner. This ultimate craft cleaner is my favorite cleaner. Like this stamp, if you use this one, they will clean that one. But I don't have anymore. You can see still a little bit blue, but it just refuse, it stays on. So this video is about the scrubbing tool. It's not about the cleaner. So if you have any permanent impact cleaner, they will help. So that's just a try. Those little scrubber, those little brush, okay, it help you to go to the detail, and they are rubber. They are not going to damage your rubber stamp, right? So that's a try the stay down, okay. And then we're going to try this one, see how much we can clean this dirty stamp. I think it has been sitting there over 5 years. And then that's a grab a piece of scrap paper, just stamped a little bit to see how it works. Okay, and then why I need this tray, I'm going to show you how. That's just okay, just leave there for a second, then let it dry. So we're gonna use the Stay On cleaner for the permanent impact. Permanent impact. So any stamp, if you use a permanent impact, you have to use a special remover to remove it, right? So you are going to use the Stay On cleaner. You don't have to clean this one. I don't think so. You need two, one for the dye base or one for the permanent. It doesn't matter. So you kind of just spray some color on top, and I think it's perfect. The reason I put that little tray is because when you spray the water, and then you don't have to wet anytime. Once when you put the Stay On cleaner, because we have this little tray, right? So see, you see, it actually is kind of dripping. So you have enough solution over there. If you are not leaving a very dry area, so I think they will last a while you're working on your project. So you can just go dipping in the other side. Okay, so they have some water and the some stays on cleaner. Just let's do a little bit more. Okay, that's it. So this is the ink, the stays on ink, and then we're going to just rub. See that little cap is preventing these scuba run away. Okay, so we rub, right? Yeah, actually scrubbing your surface, and then see, actually they kind of remove. Okay, so my stamp is a little bit dirty. I think that's actually pretty good. Okay, maybe wet. So you give it a try. I think it's actually pretty clean. And then let's try this the one I haven't used for a while. So just spray a little bit. It is Scrabble, and let's see how good we can clean these very dirty. And see, I really scrabble, just gently, so that scrabble doesn't fly away. So keep scrabble, clean a little bit. Well, if I have that ultra whatever cleaner, I think I can pretty much clean all the surface. See, this is what it look like. And then let's do a little bit more, because actually that's just a flip this one. I haven't used this stamp for a while, for a long time, and this is a very detailed stamp. So I hope you get this idea and give it a try, because I really think this little brush can clean well. Actually, if you have some very, very dirty stamp that has been sitting there for a while, and I think this is Scrabble, they definitely make a difference. Show you. Okay, you can see it's actually go away. I think that work much better. Let's try one more time with this owl, right? So this is a or dirty stamp, and then after we stamp, it's a still pretty a lot of ink on top, right? So that's just don't like the spray a little bit more. I think it definitely doing the Scrabble job. Oh, let me show you. There you go. So the stamp, this stamp I haven't cleaned for a long time. So this is just show you clean your stamp at least in 1 week. See, this I just use the StazOn. I don't have any problem. I can actually pretty much clean it. There you go. I think it's really, really clean. How do you think? Okay, so and then see, we can just pick it out. You can see the dirty water is kind of dripping out, right? That's your clean solution. So I will just leave there. I put this tray on the side. Okay. And then if this one get too dirty, just bring to your kitchen sink or washroom, just put a little bit liquid soap, just rubbing in, and then they are ready to use for next time. So I think this is just a great, it's so cheap, it's probably $1 each. And from my point of view, I think from later on you will see this in my video. I will definitely use it. I just think it is work much better than that I sprayed on the towel and I try to clean like that. So just gently rubbing it definitely work. Okay, so hoping you like today's video, and I actually have one more item. Going to show you a little preview. One more item that I found at the dollar store, and then I am going to show you a great tip to make something like this. And I think this is a very cute gift that you can give it to anybody. And there's a great tip, like an item I found at the dollar store, and I will show you. I will show you later. Okay, so if you are Local King's customer and they're looking for our 2021 spring new release, you can continue watch this video. I am going to explain about our promotion soon. If you are not, see you next time. This is Lisa from Local King. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Hello, thank you for continue watching. You must be our royal customers. Did you enjoy the naming the 2021 spring new release together? That was so much fun. If you haven't got the chance to check that video, and make sure you read all the comments. And thank you so much for all of you to spending the time and help me to name all of that. And now I'm having a hard time to choose now because I got too many great names for the 2021 new release. So the plates are here, and today is Sunday. So, and then we are actually turn on our oven. We are start to making those 8 new background stamps already, and I am working on the final price for our promotion. We are going to have a awesome promotion for these those 8 new background. Plus, we are going to have a great promotion for the other item too. So for the other 8 set, and I am working on the digital file for making the die cut. That one is probably going to be ready in the late April or early May. And then make sure you keep watching Local King's YouTube video, and I am going to provide that extra discount for you or royal customer. So thank you so much. Stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy all the commercial free videos, and I hope you enjoy the combo set that I was using for the last weeks. Too many different kind of project created by just the same stamp set and the same die cut set. And then go digging to your drawer and see is there any set that you purchased from us and then you haven't even got a chance to try to play with it. Yeah, just let me know, leave me a comment which set is that, and I will definitely working on the video by using the stamp set that you provide. I think that's going to be so much fun, and they give you some ideas of how to use the Local King Roberts stamp set and matching die set. Okay, so that's everything for today. Thank you so much for your support and for your comments, for your feedback. Love you guys. See you soon. This is Lisa from Local King Robert Stamp. Bye.